Hi everyone, this is Oladi today. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner in Nigeria. You know, a lot of you have heard about making money through affiliate marketing, but you want to get into the affiliate marketing, but you don't know how to get started or where to start from. So this video is a very important video for those that actually have interest in affiliate marketing and want to get the best of the trainings so that they can start earning immediately. So this video is going to show you exactly step by step what to do and how to do it, and how to reduce your learning curve so that you don't just go and start doing trial by error and wasting time, instead of you to be doing exactly what works and what will make you money online in Nigeria. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is a form of marketing whereby you sell other people's products. So unlike other form of marketing whereby you have to get your own product, maybe like importation or selling imported products, or by yourself or thereabout. So this form of marketing doesn't require you to create the product yourself. So you get the products from affiliate networks. Some of you are familiar with foreign affiliate networks like the ClickBank, the JV Zoo, and the rest. So, but the problem is some of those foreign affiliate networks doesn't allow Nigerians to register. So, but there is a good affiliate network in Nigeria that you can use to start your affiliate marketing journey. You can get good and high quality products from there, and you promote here in Nigeria, and you get paid a certain amount of commission as an affiliate marketer. So affiliate marketing is a kind of marketing whereby you promote other people's products and you get paid a certain amount of commission from the sales generated from your affiliate link. So once you join a kind of affiliate network, or you become an affiliate to a product, you will be issued an affiliate link. Is a kind of unique link that is used to recognize each affiliate and to be able to track that the sale is actually coming from this particular affiliate. So if you are an affiliate to maybe the 72-hour income generator, so you will have a unique affiliate link that will be strictly for you. If another person still want to promote that product, another affiliate link will be generated for the person, so it will be easier for the owner of the product to track and know that, okay, this is the person that is generating this sale, this is the person that is generating that sale, and be able to pay the commission correctly. So once you have your affiliate link, the next thing I will advise is for you to shorten the link, because normally affiliate link is usually very long string of characters, and you need to shorten it so that it will be easier for you to deal with, for you to send to your prospect or customers thereabout. So you can use services such as the Adfly or Bitly to shorten the link. bit.ly or adf.ly. So those are the services that you can use to shorten your affiliate link. So after that, the next thing is for you to drive traffic to your affiliate link. So how do you drive traffic? You can use social media, you can use search content, like you develop a website, you write articles, then once your articles are discovered through the search engines, maybe ranking in top positions, then the person searching can click on your website, get to the website, have information about the product and buy. So you can also use email marketing, blast to your list. You can use Facebook ad. Facebook ad is usually the favorite of most affiliate marketers these days, because Facebook has a very big population of hungry prospects, people that are waiting for you to just promote and they buy. So if you can get your Facebook ads correctly and you promote the right offer, so you are going to make sales and you are going to make commissions. So another thing is you don't just go and start blasting your affiliate link. You need to get a kind of lead capture page and autoresponder. Getting this will make you to increase your rate of conversion. So you capture the lead, you get their phone number, you get their email address, so that you can maybe at the first time they do not buy, because most people will not buy at the first exposure to your product, so they might need to take time to watch and to decide whether the product is actually for them or not. So once you get their email and phone number, you can be able to follow up with them. So and you do this through the autoresponder like aweber. You can use aweber, you can use mailchimp, you can use aiop and the rest. So once you set up everything, then the follow-up messages will be automatically delivered to your prospect. Maybe you set the sequence at maybe every day. If you set the sequence at every day or maybe every 2 days, so you don't need to do anything. Once you promote, you drive traffic to your link, then they click, they opt in into your capture page. Once they opt in, then the autoresponder will automatically follow them up with series of messages. So this is a kind of easy way for you to do your affiliate marketing, but there are some things that you need to learn for you to actually make money with affiliate marketing. You can't just dabble into the business without knowing how to properly do it. So there is a training called 72 hours income generator. Wow, 72 hours income generator. So this 72 hours income generator is actually for people that want to learn how to make money online through affiliate marketing. So you will be shown everything that is making that will make it possible for you to make money online through the affiliate marketing. So how to select your products, how to write your sales page, how to write your follow-up email, how to design your squeeze page, your lead capture page, how to do all of that. You are actually going to learn. Then the major problem most people face in affiliate marketing is driving traffic to affiliate offers. So you are going to learn how to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, how to use Facebook ad, how to set up your Facebook ad, how to know the people to target, how to everything about Facebook ad and how to set it up, and how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. That is what you are going to learn in the 72 hours income generator. So, and another thing is since you are going to be doing your affiliate marketing in Nigeria through the Expertner platform, the Expertner platform is the most recommended platform for you to start with in Nigeria. But the platform is not free. It comes with a 1 year membership of 10,000 naira. So you have to pay 10,000 naira to get into the Expertner platform. But if you get in through the 72 hours income generator, you will save 2 years membership. That is saving like 20,000 naira for you. So just because you get in through the 72 hours income generator, and you will learn exactly what is working and how to actually make money. So if you really want to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner in Nigeria, or even if you are already an expert and you still want to learn more, you want to see what the gurus are doing, what is making them money, so I recommend this product for you to get started and start making money. It will actually shorten your curve. It will help you to understand what is working, and you will not need to start doing trial by error and be making mistakes and be losing money also. While doing trial by errors, you make a lot of mistakes, you lose a lot of money. But by getting the 72 hours income generator, you can quickly learn the affiliate marketing and you start making money immediately. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing in Nigeria, so I recommend you join the 72 hours income generator. So click on the link in the description to this video for you to start learning about the 72 hours income generator and affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So like my video, you share it, and you subscribe to my channel for more wonderful and educative videos from this channel. So till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye, stay blessed.